Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nathan here today with a new very important and helpful video, and this video about computer hard disk. In this video I'm gonna teach you some very simple and working way to fix your any corrupted not responding or dead hard disk. So watch carefully this video and follow me. Now it's time to make alive your dead hard disk. So let's go and do it. At first I'm connecting my corrupted dead hard disk with use of external USB hard disk case. After connecting the drive, it's showing you need to format the disk. And whenever I try to format this drive, it's getting hang very badly. As you can see here, look. And also I can see or open that hard disk in this management. Here it's also getting hang every time whenever I try. So now I know how to fix it. Just let's go and do it. At first we have to open command prompt and type in disk part without any space and hit enter. Now it will open one more dialog box of CMD disk part. Now type in list space disk and hit enter. Now it will show you all your connected hard disk drives. Now type select space disk space and the number of your drive that you want to fix. So now here my corrupted hard disk number is 2, so I will select number 2 and hit enter. Now it will show you disk 2 is now the selected disk. Now type clean and hit enter. It will clean the selected disk drive. Now type create space partition space primary and hit enter. It will create a new partition for your disk drive. After this we are almost done. As you can see now it's asking for do you want to format it, but for now click on cancel. Now type exit and hit enter for close your command prompt. Now here we are almost done. So now let's go for next step. So now we have to open device manager, storage and disk management. Now here you can see my hard disk is visible now and it's almost fixed. Now right click on it and select delete volume and click yes. Now again right click on it and select new simple volume. Click next and here take full size of your partition. Click next and here you can select your drive letter and click next and finish it. And yeah, now here we are done and now my hard disk is ready to use. Let's see the hard disk partition in my computer. Look, it's here, fine. So now I'm going to copy some files in this drive. And yes, everything is working now. Here is property of this partition. So that's all guys in this video. Now you can fix your hard disk by yourself and I am sure this video will help you. If yes, so give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need any help, ask me in comment section below. I will try to help you more. So for now I have to say bye bye, take care and see you again in my next video.